Hey moms, take care of everyone. And it can be challenging to find time to take care of yourself while balancing family responsibilities and work. So this Mother's Day, give back to the mom in your life with a gift of self-care. Here to discuss a special and meaningful Mother's Day gift is women's health expert and owner of Desi BodyMind, Desi Bartlett. And Desi is a celebrity trainer. Again, celebrity trainer. She's an author and a mom right here on Oahu. Hi, Desi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, and so happy that you live in Kailua, which is where I was born and raised too.
Yes.
So, Desi, you have a brand new video platform. Tell us all about that.
It's so wonderful to be here with you. Thank you so much for having me. It's my privilege, my honor, my joy to share what I love to do, which is yoga, meditation, and fitness. I'm all about helping people to be strong from the inside out, and I am dedicated to working with moms so that we can show up wholeheartedly, mindful, present, and really take care of ourselves.
Right, especially moms, right? They're taking care of the kids, taking care of the house, changing a flat tire, and it's quite stressful, right?
Yes.
You know, you are so popular, and I heard that you worked a lot with celebrity moms. How do you how do you help them on their journey of motherhood and being the best mom that they can be?
Well, I think that all moms are the stars of our lives, right? But I've had the privilege of working with a lot of celebs. Kate Hudson wrote the foreword for my second book. I've worked with Emma Roberts, Ashley Tisdale. I've had these beautiful mamas that have really shown me the importance of self-care. And so, again, it's my honor and my joy to share that with moms all over the world. And now that we live on Oahu, I love to share the beauty of this island with moms everywhere through video platform and share this message so that we can all be, again, the stars of our own lives.
That's awesome. So tell us about some of the workouts that you have in your videos.
Yeah, so what I see with moms especially is a lot of lower back pain, whether it's from lifting up the stroller, lifting up the baby, or for me, I've got a 15-year-old, I'm lifting that baseball equipment with him, right? So what I love to do is to really get into the strength of the lower back. And a way that you can do this, you can warm up with your feet hips distance apart, hands on top of the thighs, and we simply start to marry the breath and the movement.
Wow. It's all about the motion, yes, sis?
Yes, exactly.
You're stretching out the lower back.
We need to move, and as you just said, it's all about the motion. We want to move just like the waves of our beautiful ocean, moving with the breath, like the breeze moves across the mountains.
Wow.
And let that movement flow from one side to the next, opening up the hips, opening up the lower back, because it's not just the lower back that can talk to us. When our hips are tight, that's when we have that pain.
Right, right.
It's that whole like move it or lose it kind of thing, right?
Wow.
We need to move and stretch and breathe
and
set a clear intention every morning so that we are intentional about where our life is going. You know, you have such a beautiful message of joy and sharing your voice, and it's so clear, and we can all be that clear.
Yeah, it's all about centering your mana, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, and so what's the best part about like giving back to moms or anybody that you help on mind, body, and spirit journey?
It's so rewarding for me when I can see someone step into their power and step into their strength and their joy. And if I can help in any way, it's a blessing.
I love it. You have to stay centered, yeah? And make sure your core is very strong. So I know there's a lot of people, you know, they are watching and they want more information on how to get in touch with you. How can people find you?
So my new platform, DesiBodyMind.com, you can find me there. I'm also on Insta at Mothers Into Living Fit. And this Mother's Day, if you want to give your mom or yourself something besides a mug and some flowers, I promise I will take great care of you and help you with self-care.
I love it. Thank you, Desi, for joining us. And you're an incredible mom. I know you have 2 kids and, you know, just thriving business here in Hawaii. So thank you for sharing your time with us. And thank you for loving our people, and especially our mommies.
Thank you.
See you again. Come and visit us.
All right, mahalo mele. Wow, she could move. That was
incredibly
crazy.
flexible.
All right,
I love that.
You can give your mom the gift of self-care by signing up for our Mother's Day giveaway.
That's right. There will be 2 winners announced tomorrow. They'll get a chance to win 2 one-month subscriptions with Desi BodyMind. You just saw it. And Desi's book. We'll announce the winners tomorrow on Island Life Live.
And Leah Kamana will announce one of those winners on Good Morning Hawaii tomorrow. This winner will get a chance to win a spa package courtesy of Suzuko Relaxation and Skin Design and a chance to work with the founder of Desi BodyMind. All you have to do is sign up on KITV.com/contests. All right, up next, we're going to celebrate some birthdays and do that birthday song. We'll be right back. You're watching Island Life Live.